How do you see the transition of you wanting to carry all the work and the politics that you've seen there to the central stage now that you're in mainstream, in Delhi and Delhi politics of the Congress and as well of the country?
So, to be honest, I have always seen politics from Delhi and from a very central view. I have always been associated with Gujarat as home.
Yes.
And with my family being there, with our ancestral village being there. So, Gujarat has been home to us, but never saw politics from the Gujarat angle.
Yes.
Because we grew up in Delhi, so we've seen central level politics mostly. But after my father passed away a few years ago, we got more involved in Gujarat, and we realized that people miss him over there, and I think it was a very organic way that we got involved in Gujarat, in the constituency, in the area with the people. So we are working. I mean, that's our home state.
Yes.
But I'm still learning. I'm still getting to know Gujarat politics better. And yes, it's very complicated.
Yes. Why is it that Gujarat is, the Congress party, and which is your party, has done a lot in Gujarat. But why, whenever anyone tries to or thinks of Gujarat, why is it given the impression that it belongs like to only the BJP or to the RSS? And what are your views on that? Why is that? How is that impression being branded or put together? Or how would you like to change it, being an emerging Congress leader?
It's perception to say mostly, because up till even a decade ago, Congress party and the BJP have been at an equal footing, more or less, even though Congress has not had a state government in 30 years now, nearly. But we've always had 11, 12 Lok Sabha members of the Congress party. We've always had a good chunk of Vidhan Sabha MLAs.
Right.
But it's only in the last 10 decades, last 10 years, that after the emergence of Narendra Modi ji as the Prime Minister in the center, the focus has been about Gujaratis ruling the country. And it's a perception that BJP or the RSS owns Gujarat. However, when you go back to the ground, I would not say the urban Gujarat, but rural Gujarat still is very much about the Congress. You have a lot of people who have, since the independence, voted for Congress year after year, even today.